Hey guys, can you hear me? Hey, sorry for the late year. I was stuck in traffic. It's almost okay. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, and good
Can you
morning.
please confirm? Yeah, good
Yes, and
morning.
you can.
So yesterday, yeah, thank you. Yesterday we discussed about how to start writing the script, right? So did anyone install Java, Eclipse, and download the web driver? Is anyone? Is anyone download all these three?
Yes, and you
Yes or
already
no?
but um,
You want to share your screen? Is it possible?
yeah, just a minute.
Huh. You want to share? So I can give you a co-host.
Is anyone going to share or should I share? Please confirm.
Mm, okay. So is it okay with you, right? You are in office or you are in you are
Yeah, home only. I'm okay for that because I
ah,
already installed
okay, that's
Eclipse and
fine.
Java.
Then just for 2 minutes, okay, we'll see that. I am making as a host. After that, you make me a co-host. Okay. Yeah, now you are the host. Can you share your screen?
Because I just yesterday tried some.
Good, no problem. That's good. So yeah, can you open before that? Can you open the command prompt? Yeah, command prompt. Just check that Java version. Yeah, Java
Yeah, just
version.
now I checked.
Hmm, Java version. Because first time when you start writing any program, right, make sure that Java is installed properly or not. Okay, Java version is what 21. Okay, now what you need to check the next step is what Java Java C. What is called C? We need to check the
Command.
path. Path is correct or not. We need to check. Java C should be a same word. Java C. No need to give the space. Hmm, good. So these two things are good. So next one is what? How to set the path? Java path. You know, right? How to set
Yeah,
the
already set up.
Can anyone tell me how to set the path, guys?
You can write the command set path is equal to address bar
Address.
address. So
Okay.
C drive,
Uh, uh,
whatever.
yes, you can do like that, or else you can do. I told you right. That this PC, right click, properties, advanced settings, and libraries, and you need to add there, right? So that is one of the most important one. Path is very important. If the path is not good, right, you cannot execute any program. Yeah, these two things we are good. Everyone is good up to here. Now, can you open that Eclipse? Yeah. Yeah, this is the Eclipse, right? So once you are download the Eclipse, right, you will see like a Eclipse like this. Okay. Now we want to write a program, right? So first, what you need to do? Can you go to the files? Can you go to the files? Yeah, new. Yeah, what project you are doing? Java project. Okay. First, you can create a Java project or project. After you can select the Java also, not a problem. Okay. Yeah. Here you need to select Java. Oh. Can you expand that one? Expand in Java, Java project. Hmm. You can directly select as a Java project there also. Okay, many ways. Wait. Now here the project name you can give any name you can give. Selenium. Now next and finish. Don't give the space. Okay. Next. Yeah. So project is very easy to create a project is what go to the file and new project. Now finish. After the creating of the project, right, you can see that SRC. Okay, what is called SRC? You will see that source one. Okay, finish. When you click the finish, right? Wait, it will take time. Now the project name is what? Just now we created, right? See, JRE system library is added as well as also you can see SRC. Yeah, you can delete that one. Module info dot Java is the default one. Okay, you can delete that one. Now Under SRC, what you need to do, guys? Can anyone tell me what we need to do under SRC? We need to create the package. So you need to create the package. So one package com dot selenium, whatever it may be. Next is what? Yeah, finish. Once you create the com dot package, right, under the package, what you need to do? You need to create a class, new class. Now tell me, guys, the class name can I write capital letters or small letters, or I can give the space between the letters, or I can start the class name with the numbers 1 2 3. I can write class name.
Space it can't accept.
Class name should be alphabet. Should be an alphabet.
And can I give the special characters before the class name? So these all are basic things. Okay. So type is name. Can you write the class name demo? So if you see, it is asking the package name disconnected by conversation. The package usually within the lowercase letters. Okay. So you can write in lowercase letters. Okay. And whenever you create a class, right, so what I told you, right, what I said, you need to select a public static void main. I told you, right, in Java program. Okay, it is always before executing, it will always check the main. If main is there, right, the execution will start with the starting from the main onwards. Okay, if you not write the main method, like simply you are writing public void test case 1, public void test case 2, public void test case 3, if you run that one, it won't execute. Okay, it is always check with what main method. If it is main is there, then it will execute. After the class, you can search what is the importance of main method in Java. Okay, we cannot teach all the things, right? After the class, you can read. See, I ask you what are the
Without
class
main
standards.
method, we cannot execute the program.
No, we cannot execute, right? We cannot execute. Only we can execute with the main method. Okay, next
JVM
finish.
will find the main method.
Yes,
So
yes,
this is
yes,
the main method.
yes, correct.
Not
Finish.
we need to write again.
Not read. No need to write again. So
Yes.
whenever you, so you can see the static public static void main, right? Now whatever you are writing the code, right, the code should be, you need to write between the, see, you need to start the 6 and 8, 6 and 7. Okay, in between you need to write. Okay, that is one of the most important. So inside the braces, you need to write line number 5, right? Line number 5 and line number 6 to 7. In between, you need to write the code. That is one of the most important one. What code we need to write? Can you write sys system dot welcome to Java, like double quotes string, that is the string, right? So that's the reason you need to put a double quotes. Okay, welcome to Java program. Okay, now save it. Always you need to save. If your program is not saved, right, in the top you will see the star mark. So make sure that your program should be saved. Run as, go to your class, right click, go to your class. There are many ways to execute. Go to your class and right click, run as a Java application, or is here is a green button will be there. You can directly click that button. So there are many ways to execute the program. See, welcome to Java. So up to here it is very clear, right, for everyone? Yes or no? Is anybody have a problem to create a project?
No, sir.
Good. What about other guys? Please respond. So up to here it is very clear, right?
Yes.
To create a project, adding a
This is my
package.
first class, sir. Is it possible for you to explain me the setup, and is it possible for you to check?
Sure. We will discuss. Okay. We are not doing anything. Just now, what we did before we start writing the Selenium script, right? We required the editor is required. So editor is nothing but here we are taking as an Eclipse. Okay. But before we want to start any program, right, or any script, right, we required what? Java. So we install the Java and we set the Java path the Java path is very important. How to set the Java path in interview question? You can go to this PC, right click, properties, advanced system settings, and in that environment variables, in the system variables, you need to give the user, you need to give the variable name and variable path. Okay, so don't worry, that video you can take today. Anyhow, they will send that video. Okay, the path, once we set the path, right? After that, what you need to do? You need to download the Eclipse. Once you download the Eclipse, right? Then in the Eclipse, how to create a project? Simply, you can go to the file and click new project, or you can click Java project. Once you create the Java project, right? Under the Java project, you can see that SRC. Under the SRC, what you need to create, generally you need to create a package. Okay, under the package, what you need to do, you need to create the class. Okay, once you return the class, right, you can execute this class by using the two ways. Okay, you simply right click on the class and run as a Java application, or there is a, in the top there is a green button, right? You can press that also. Okay, is it clear so far? But don't worry, what you missed the session yesterday and day before day, right? They will send videos. Okay, you can go with that. This is the basic one, that is the starting class. Okay, is it clear? Okay,
Sure, sir. Thank you.
okay, thank you. Now here, if I want to start writing the Selenium script, it won't work, because my project is what Java related, and here I'm not imported anything, right? Regarding the WebDriver related things, I'm not imported
Yeah.
anything, right? So it won't work. So what you need to do, you need to go to the Selenium website. Go to the Selenium website. So you need to download the WebDriver. So where you need to download the WebDriver? Go to the Selenium site. Selenium.org. Okay, it will navigate to selenium.dev. Yeah, open this one. So whenever, see, this site is very important. You have any questions and concerns on regarding on Selenium, right? You can refer in this site. Okay, no need to ask anyone, no need to watch anything. Simply you can open this site and you can refer this site. You will get all your answers. So interview question, I told you, right? What is Selenium? Selenium is nothing but what? Selenium automates the web browser.
Open source.
Open source, and it automates the web browser. Can you go to the top? There is a download. Can you click the downloads?
Yes, they already downloaded.
You already download. Okay, good.
Yes,
It's there. Okay, then fine. So what you can do is, can you go to your project? Can you go to your project? Do one thing. Can you go to your Eclipse and go to the SRC? SRC. Right click. Right click. Right click and build path. There is a top build path. Build path and configure build path. Click the configure build path. Here you need to add your jar files. So wait, you need to select libraries in the top. No, top libraries. Select the class path. See, select the class path. Now add external jar files. Yes, click that one. Now where it is on, yeah, you can select that one. Selenium server 241. That is correct. No, don't go with that because you already have, right? Select that one. Open. You already extract that. See, all Selenium related will comes here. Now apply and close. Now you can start write your project. See, now reference libraries. So you can see all the things Selenium related things. See, before you start, you need to check. These all are what pre-check. People are having, they're saying I'm done with Selenium. They don't know what is project. They don't know where they need to check the reference libraries. They don't know all the things. They want only what they want to copy and paste the code. Forget about the code. I'm telling, right? Code is already there In Google, code is already there. For whatever you want code, tell me. Within the fraction of seconds, the code is available in the Google.
Now, Srini, now all the jar files will be exported in a reference library, right?
Yes, yes. You need to add whatever the required, right? Suppose you want to test NG, you need to add that one. Whatever the jar files is required, right? That all we need to add here. Okay. So that make sure that you need to add that particular jar files. Okay. So don't concentrate on the code. Try to understand the concept, how to create a project. Okay. In the project, the jar files is added correctly or not. You need to check that one. Okay, once the setup is everything is done, your code is very easy. Okay, now
Sir,
you
can you
can,
please explain once again, sir, if you don't
yeah,
mind?
yeah, no problem. See what we did, now previously we create the project, right? Java project, right? In this Java project I cannot write any script with related to the Selenium, because the Selenium related things are not added into your project. So in that case, what we need to do, we need to download the web drivers. So where you need to download the web drivers, go to the Selenium site. There is a Selenium site will be there, selenium.dev.org. If you go to this site, right, here you can see the downloads. Can you click the downloads? So once you click the downloads, right, can you scroll down? Yeah, little bit scroll down. See here, if you observe that latest stable version, what is the latest stable version? 4.226.0, right? That is what stable version. Stable means what? You can download that one. If it is unstable means you cannot take that one. If it is beta means you cannot take that. If it is alpha means you cannot take that. So always you need to take in real time. It's a stable build. Stable means it is working as expected. So what you can do is you need to take this build. Means what? You need to download that one. Once you download it, right, it will need to store in your download, or you can copy into your any local, right? So once you download the web driver, right, now what you need to do, can you go to Eclipse? Now can you create one more project for a better understanding?
Yeah.
How to create a project? So guys, again I'm telling how to create the project. Just go to the project and Java project. No, you need to select Java project. Next, here you can give the project name. What you can give? Launching browser, or anything you can give. Launching browser.
The one quick question, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Instead of creating Maven project, why are we creating Java project, sir?
So see, that's your wish. Maven project is what you can add all your dependencies. No need to add to all your jar files to your project, right? SRC, right click, build path, configuration, build path. What we are doing here, this all we are not doing in Maven. In Maven is what, when you create a Maven, right, it will create one form pom.xml file. In that pom.xml file, you can add all your dependencies. What are you have the dependencies right now? What you are adding Selenium jar, right? That you can add directly there, and also you can make it as what is the build format. Okay, and you can clean that project. You can make it as a build format. Okay, got it, right? That's your wish. That
Okay.
depends on your what is your requirement. See, my requirement is what they asked me to create a in Java program, and in that they asked me to launch a browser. So I'm doing in that way. In case they ask me to the same program they asked me to do in TestNG, I need to create a TestNG and I need to do with that. In case they ask me to do within Maven, but generally why the Maven is what, it's a uniform independent thing. Like see, whatever I'm code writing here, write this code, if I share to you, right, it won't work. Why? Can you tell me why it is won't work? I'm giving this project to you. Okay, if suppose you copy this
It
project,
won't have the required dependencies, I guess.
because that dependencies where I download in my local, I downloaded, right? Yeah, correct. What you guess is 100% is correct, because I download in my local path C/downloads, where it is that dependency file in my local. So if I give this project to you also, you cannot access this project, right? Because the same files you need to download, then only it will work. But in Maven it is not like that. If you add all the dependencies, right, it will take directly from the online itself. Okay, when the Maven will come, we will discuss that. I hope you understand that.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, thank you. So here what we are doing, next and finish. So here again see we got the project, right? Under the project SRC, when you click the SRC, delete this one, right? Not required. This is the default one. And next, what you need to do under the SRC, you need to create a package. So create the package. You can write a com dot anything you can write it. Finish. Always write lowercase, okay? And right click and create a class, new class, launching browser. Don't give the space. Entry question. The class name can we give within the between the space? No. Public void, static void, main. See, Java program is always, I told you, right? The main method should be there. If you are not right main method, right, it won't execute. Now what you need to do, you need to write what you can say that you can write Selenium related things. So in this case, how you need to write? So can you go to the line number 2? Line number 2. What is required for me? WebDriver. So can you write import control space org import space give the space org dot put a dot, see open qa, because see it is not coming anything related to the Selenium, right? Why? Can anyone tell me why we are not getting anything related to the Selenium?
We didn't export import
What correct, right?
jar,
We are not add any jar file to
any
your
jar
project.
files.
So what you need to do, go to your project src. So try to understand the things, build path, configuration build path, and libraries, and class path, add external jar files, and select this one. Okay, open and apply and close. Now you can write the same line, remove that line, second line, remove that one. Right now, import space org dot open qa dot put a dot open qa. See, all Selenium related you are getting right. org.openqa Selenium. So jar files are very, very important. Most of the people, what they will do, they will not add all the jar files. So that is the problem. So here, make sure that you need to add the jar files. Yeah, Selenium. Can you select the Selenium? First one. Now remove that star. Right. Selenium dot put a dot WebDriver. See, no need to write all the things, two lines, we control space. Okay, if you do like that, right, automatically it will come. Okay, come, click enter. What is that yellow line? What is that yellow line indicates? Can anyone? What is that yellow line indicates? What is the red line indicates?
I think the yellow line is indicating it's never used.
Yes, warning. It's never used. It's warning.
Warning.
Yes, correct. Good. Excellent. Now, yeah, you need to understand. Some people will panic. Oh, before writing, I'm getting errors. I'm getting. Please get the errors. Errors should be come. Then only you can learn. Don't panic. Okay. If you are getting some lines means again you are copying, pasting that all the things. Then it is waste. Okay. First, let's see what is it is. Okay. So LL line means what is we are not still not use anything this related things, and we can say it's a warning message. Yeah, can you click enter and write what is required? WebDriver we are imported, WebDriver related things, all it will come. Now Chrome driver is required, right? Yeah, can you write import space org dot openqa dot selenium dot. So you need to remember all the things. Okay, don't copy paste, read all the things why we are adding the respective packages. Chrome dot Chrome driver, two lines, control space, no need to write, just write two lines. Chrome, you already came, right? Select that one. It's very, very easy. Chrome dot Chrome driver. Now Chrome driver related things we can use Chrome driver, right? Now here simple lines, 2 lines of your code. Now come to the ninth line. See, I told you, right, your code should always between the 9 to 10. Okay, so can you go and click enter there, long enter. So what you need to do here, web driver, whatever is the interface, web driver, controls, web should be W and D should be a capital. Okay, control space, right? Use control space, automatically it will come. No, it is not coming. Web driver. Now you can give the object. Object means what? Anything you can give. Don't say that it is only driver. You can write your name also. Okay, object means you can write anything. Okay, now that is driver. Okay, that's fine. Driver, web driver, driver equals to new. What we need to do? New Chrome driver. Yes. Control space. No need to write. Like 2 lines. Control space. Just write
Why
2 lines.
don't we
See,
use other drivers like other than Chrome driver? Why don't we use
you can
Firefox driver or some other
you can
driver?
use. That is what I'm telling. You can use. Now we are what program we are doing now, launching the Chrome browser. So that's the reason I'm launching the Chrome browser. If you want use Firefox, you can use Firefox. But what is required here? Import org.openqa.selenium.firefox.firefox drive. You cannot, you are adding the Chrome driver, you cannot add other drivers. That is what I think you missed the session. Web driver has their own specific browser drivers, Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Edge driver, understanding, right? They have their own specific drivers will be there. Now you are fourth line. If you observe that, what you import org.openqa.selenium.chrome driver. So what we are doing, we are launching with what? Chrome driver. In case if you want to launch other browser, you can import that one. Got it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Now, yeah, good. You can launch anything. Okay, not a problem. You can launch. But now we are launching what? Chrome browser. So now you can write a driver dot. See, the yellow line is gone because we already use web driver. We already use Chrome driver. So warning message is gone. Okay. Now driver dot. There is a command. If you want to launch the browser, means there is a command. Driver dot get. So you can write driver dot get. Driver dot get. So here in the get, you need to pass the URL. Can you pass the URL? String URL, double quotes. You just pass the URL. Can you go to any website and pass that URL?
So one general
Copy this one.
question.
Yeah, go ahead, no problem.
Okay, so you're
So you
gonna
need
cover.
to pass that URL. Yeah. So what you are saying?
You're gonna cover Java basics also, right, sir? I mean Java.
No, here I will tell you that here I will tell you where we can use the Java. See, here I told you, right, main is very, very important. But here I will tell you when it is required, I will tell you Java related things. But I not
Okay.
covered all the things basics because it will take a lot of time.
Okay.
I told that you should learn CoreJava because the CoreJava is what the 30 days class. You should be learn, because if you learn anywhere Java and Selenium, right, what the people that know Java, they will tell 15 days. Selenium, they said 15 days. Means your course is done. But you are not in good in Java and also you are not in good in Selenium. Then you cannot crack the
Okay.
interview,
So
right?
do you
So my
suggest
best
to
suggestion.
take a core Java session separately, sir?
Yes, 100%.
Okay.
Because if you are in good in that CoreJava, right, you can go with API testing. You can go with other testing also. Because if you Selenium means what? It's a basic part for entry level. So I want to get into the job within a short period of the time. So you need to go with this one. But in future, I want to go with APIs and I want to go with REST APIs. I want to go with some more and more things. Means CoreJava is very, 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 very important.
Okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Basics, because sometimes in interview they won't ask anything about related to the Selenium. Zero. They won't ask any question. because Selenium related everyone is telling, everyone. Suppose there are 10 people, the 10 people is answer, everyone is answer correctly only. But my position is what, only 2 positions will be there. Then how can I shortlist all of them? So what I can do is I ask them to simply write a Java program. If I ask to write a Java program, right, out of 10 people, almost 6 people will be gone. They don't know how to write the code. Still, how many people are there? 4 people are there. In the 4 people who are write the code, right, we will ask to explain that code. In that, the 4 out of 4 people, the 3 people will be gone. Only 2 people will be there. So I'm telling in the reality how in the market is. So whatever you learn proper way. So in case they ask to write a program, you are ready to write a program. In case they ask you to launch a Chrome browser, you need to write a Chrome browser program. Such a way you need to do. Okay, it's not like 15 days Java, 15 days automation. It's not be good. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We'll see that. Don't worry, with Java related, whatever the important. See here, the Java related important is what the class you cannot write without between the space, and you cannot start with the numericals. Okay, class name. So how to create the project? What are the Java related we can cover? But I'm not telling the CoreJava basic things like what is variable, what is the string. I'm not tell all the things because it will take a lot of time. Okay. Um, yeah, that's good. Here driver dot get, the get is what, the command to call the URL. Can you run this one now? Save it, Control S, and now what you need to write, go to the class, run as Java application. Go to your class launching the Chrome browser, right? Run as, select your class. Here.
Yeah, I think it's
I think it's a little bit delay. Say congrats. Within 2 lines, we launch the browser. What else you want, tell me? It's very easy. But people are panic to launching the browser. How many lines the code? 2 lines. What you written? Web driver. And assign to whom? To the Chrome driver. Now what is the command? Driver dot get. Understanding, right? So this is the easy way you need to learn the concept, but don't practice. If you are not practice, right, if you watch 100 videos also, it won't come. If you see number of material available in the market also, it won't come until unless you need to do the practice with your own.
why we
Understanding,
getting
right?
this error, warning errors like that?
That's a warning message. Okay, so you can ignore that one, not a problem. But launch browser is launched, right? So you can validate that one. I will tell you how to validate that, whether this is the correct one or not. We need to validate. So how to validate that? We'll see the coming sessions. Okay.
Yeah,
So don't panic. Just try with your end, guys. I want everyone, not only one person. So I want every person need to do the same thing. If you are okay with that, then we'll go with the next topics, because I'm continuously showing with my class, and you're not install the Java, you are still not install the Eclipse, means then it is a waste of joining the sessions. So everyone need to ready with your Eclipse, ready with your Java, and set the path and create a one project and launch the Chrome browser. If you all guys are ready with that, then we will go with the next sessions. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Anybody have any questions? Tomorrow we'll see that the same thing we'll see then the next sessions. Okay. Tomorrow be ready, guys, with all your setups. Okay. Thank you, Jagdish, for
Sir,
sharing your
can you
screen.
please share the yesterday's video?
Yeah, you can check with the front office. They will provide all the
Sure.
videos and all the things. Okay. Yeah,
we
thank you.
already shared, so I will forward the link.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. We'll see then tomorrow. Thanks, Jagdish.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can close because you are a host, right? You can close the session.
Okay, sure.
You can close the top. And then, you can close.